All right, I'm going to show you how to make a screencast to share your Google slide presentation from either your comic strip or your slide presentation about your book. So the first thing that you're going to do is finish your presentation. So here's my pretend finished presentation. Then the next thing that you're going to do is something kind of strange. You're going to share that presentation and you're going to share it with my @students account. And I know that sounds strange, but in order to screencast, that's what you need to do. So you're going to type in Elizabeth.Kenyon @students. And you see there it is at students.usd305.com. This web address or this email address is also on a poster that's going to be in your classroom. So you're going to share that with that @students account. You're going to send that share. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to, if you're on a Chromebook, you're going to sign out of your personal account and you're going to sign in to my students account. If you're on a laptop, you're going to switch person to my @students account. On the Chromebooks, you'll see my picture as some of the Chrome profiles. You're going to click that, and then the password is the same password as the laptops, which is currently capital O on Oscar, 16 exclamation point. So that's the password that you're going to put in for that. I'm on a laptop, so I'm going to switch to my @students account. You may have to add a person and add that account onto that laptop. But again, that poster will be in the classroom if you need it. So we're going to go to that @students account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Google Drive on that @students account where you were supposed to share your presentation. So you're going to click the Drive symbol right there. And then you're going to go to Shared with Me. And there's that presentation right there. So now you're going to open that presentation. And you're going to present that presentation. Oh, wait, first you have to start your screencast. We're going to use this little symbol right here, which is the Screencastify. When you hover over it, it says Screen Video Recorder. And I'm currently using it right now, so it's going to look a little different for me than what it'll look for you. But you're going to click that Screencastify symbol right here, and you'll have a spot where it says Start. Did it? Oh no, it's still going. You're going to have a spot that says Start Recording. So you're going to click that Start Recording button, and then it will ask you to choose the screen that you want to screencast. You're going to click the one that's over here in the beginning, and I'll show you what that's going to look like. Sorry, I should have had that open. You're going to click right here that says Screen 1, or it might say Internal Display or something like that, depending on what device you're on. And that's the one that you're going to choose, and you're going to click Share. And then that will get you started on your screencasting. If you're on a laptop, you'll see something that looks like this, where it says it's sharing your screen. If you're on a Chromebook, it's going to be a little symbol in the corner, and part of it will say stop at the bottom, so that when you're finished, then you'll click stop. Then you put your presentation in presenting mode, talk about your slides. Make sure you're not just reading the things that are on your slide, but you're adding some information to each slide as you talk through. And once you get to the end of your slide, so here's my last slide, then you're going to click your stop sharing or your stop button that's over here in the corner to stop your screencast. Then that screencast will save into the Google Drive for this account. And when you look right here, it's going to save in a folder that's called Screencastify right here. This will have your screencast where it will save. As soon as it pops up, make sure that you change where it says Untitled Screencast to your name so that we know whose is whose and not have to open it in order to figure out who it belongs to. Then I will have your screencast that I will be able to add to the Google Classroom or to wherever else that we need it. If you have any questions about screencasting, submit a question on Google Classroom and I will do my best to answer it, or I will come by and show you. Thanks.